Hi, my name is Jillian Jones. I'm a special education major here at Northwestern. I'm a mother of three. So I have one girl, two boys. My I come from Pine Island, Florida. I now live in Pond Creek, Oklahoma. My favorite course that I've taken so far would be an ethics course that I took when I was still in Alabama. It was interesting because I learned that a lot of things have more to do with perspective than really what's right or wrong. And then my goals for this course are pretty natural, I guess. I would like to learn how to better manage a classroom so that I can be an effective teacher. And then because I'm a special education major, behavioral intervention is really important to me. So I'm looking forward to learning in that area specifically. Um, as far as hobbies go, I like paddleboarding and I travel a lot. I've been to 26 states so far, and I plan on visiting all 50. Um, but that's me.